Answer first.
The ambience.
The
Saka yung
ambience.
services, ganda talaga lang. This year also, as in, every time I go here, nare-relax talaga ako. Kasi hindi lang magaling yung mga therapist nila, and ang ganda rin ng ambience, di ba?
I agree with that. Especially pagpasok mo pa lang, di ba, relaxing na with the scent. How about you, TJ?
For me kasi, sulit talaga yung experience. Sabi nga David, ambience, but the service at saka yung massage nila, talaga paglabas mo, you feel really recharged. Talagang nakakapag-recover ka. Lalo na kami, sa line of work namin, pagod kami. So, masusulit talaga yun. Kaya, it's the experience itself.
Experience. Sulit talaga yung pag-recharge na kailangan natin after a long tiring day. How about you, Janina?
Well, I'm so grateful to be part of the Blue Water Days Club family.
Yeah, welcome and
Thank you so
congratulations.
much. It feels like a full circle moment. I've known this brand since I was very young pa, and iconic siya kasi talaga. Ito lang yung spa here in the Philippines that has something like this, like a theater spa experience. And I actually love both, watching movies and having my body relaxed with massages. So, super perfect combo talaga siya. I mean, right? You get to do two things in one. Get to relax, get to watch your favorite movie. And I'm just so happy I get to come back here more often now, especially, diba? And I really do vouch for it. Ako personally, I love having massages at least once a week. Sana, diba? Diba? Ayun na nga. So, ayun, nakaka-relax na siya. And also, ano ba, naka-good vibes din. Parang nalilimutan mo lahat ng kailangan mong gawin. Sabay ganun. But sometimes you need that eh. Before you have more fuel, para magawa mo ang mga kailangan mong gawin in life. Right? So, yeah.
I agree with that. Kailangan natin ng pause muna.
Yes.
Yeah, take a break from everything.
Yes.
Now let's have Ellen. How about you? What keeps you coming back to Blue Water Day Spa?
I mean, ever since I started dating Fabio, what is it now? 7 years ago. We've been going here. Obviously, it's always been an endorser. I did my first campaign with them about 2 years ago with the kids. But the kids were very small, and obviously we have a very busy life, you know, juggling work and family, taking care of the kids, and we still always find the time to come here, just like we said as well, for the chance of recharging and energizing again, and the fact that, you know, the ambiance is the way it is, that you can watch the movies, the kids love coming here as well, so it makes it easier to just do like a family thing also. So, you know, we always, despite the busy schedule, we always, you know, make time to come here and enjoy.
Would you like to
And
add
it's
something?
funny because the first time I came to Blue Water, I was introduced to the Swedish massage. Yeah, and then when I met Ellen, I was like asking myself, maybe she knows how to do Swedish massage. But then I realized she doesn't know, so it's another reason to keep coming back. I mean, just jokes apart, we just love coming here. It's been so many years coming to Blue Water. They're extremely professionals here who understand what you're doing, and also the staff, the way how they treat you from the moment you arrive until you go home. It's just like it just feels at home every time you're here. Plus, what David said a while ago, like you can't find a theater like this anywhere else where you can just come, relax, sit down, choose your favorite movie, choose your favorite shows, and just enjoy. Yeah.
All right. So now let's have the next question. So, what's your favorite way to relax or recharge during summer? During summer, what's your favorite way to relax?
Go to the beach, and go to Blue Water Spa.
Yes.
Go to ano,
After beach na, post beach trip.
aircon pala. Malakas aircon dito, guys. Sabihin. Yeah.
Malamig na, relaxing
Malamig.
talaga.
Yes.
How about you?
Same, beach lang. Kasi for me, summer is my reset. So talagang pag summer yan, ready na ako mag-beach.
Wow.
Ready na ako mag-topless. Japan.
Oo nga eh. Sabi ko kanina, patingin ng updated flyer, nagulat ako. Sabi ko si TJ.
Pero at least na, after ko mag-beach, diretso agad ako dito. At saka mas maganda, marami kasi branch na rin ng Blue Water Days pa. So, malapit ako sa Banawe. So, sa
Yes.
Banawe ako lagi. Tapos pag nandito ako sa May Green Hills, ayan, sa Ino. But again, sobrang sarap ng experience kasi after ko mapagod, yun na talaga. Masarap na ma-recover ka sa lahat. So, yeah, it's really a good thing. Don't go with it.
Best way, no? After a beach trip, punta ka sa Blue Water Days one for a massage. How about you, Ellen?
Yeah, I mean the same thing. I love going to the beach and for sure coming back for massage, but also for the skin treatments that we do offer here as well. I love being in the sun, but being in the sun gives you, at least me with my Swedish fair skin, hyperpigmentation, and it just helps to go here and also look into the skin treatments to help even out the skin tone again after being at the beach.
Perfect, the 5D laser treatment of Blue Water this one. Love that. How about you? Bobby?
Yeah, I would say, of course, by being in the Philippines, definitely going to the beach during summer, just trying to enjoy and keep myself super active, surfing and doing other activities. But then, pag bumalik dito sa Manila, kailangan talaga pumunta sa Blue Water para mag-relax. Just, all those
Yes.
facial muscles that you had from the activities, you just try to relax and enjoy as much as you can, and then be ready for the next activities.
Yeah, so basically same kami lahat.
Basta beach at beach tayo nga.
Beach
Sa
and
group
then
chat
massage.
beach kami, tapos dito na kami mag-overnight.
Masarap mag-relax talaga to recharge. Alright, I think the floor is now open for the media to ask questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
First, Cheng Bao.
Ah,